Introducing the spiral model. What is a spiral model? The spiral model is a risk-driven process model generator for software projects, based on the unique risk patterns of a given project. The spiral model guides a team to adopt elements of one or more process models, such as incremental, waterfall, or evolutionary prototyping.
When to use the spiral model. Use the spiral model when cost and risk evaluation is important. For medium to high risk projects, users are unsure for their needs. Requirements are complex. Significant changes are expected.
The 4 phases of the spiral model. In the planning phase, requirements are studied and gathered. There is a feasibility in the field of study. There is a need of reviews and walkthroughs to streamline the requirements. It requires an understanding documentation, and then you finalize everything. The project is reviewed and a decision is made, whether to continue in the further loop of the model. In the risk analysis phase, a process is undertaken to identify risk and alternate solutions. A prototype is produced at the end of the risk analysis phase. If any risk is found during the risk analysis, then alternate solutions are suggested and implemented. Requirements are studied, and brainstorming sessions are done to identify the potential risk. In the engineering phase, a software is developed, along with testing at the end of the phase. Hence in this phase the development and testing is done. In this phase, coding is present. There is review of test cases and test results. Any form of physical works are done in this phase. And for the final phase, the evaluation. Developed products is passed on to the customer in order to receive customers' comments and suggestions. Customers evaluate the software and provide their feedback and approval. And features are documented.
However, there are advantages and disadvantages in using the spiral model. The advantages are: changing requirements are accommodated. Requirements are captured more accurately. Users see the system clearly. Feedback from the users are early and frequent. And the disadvantages are: process is complex. Spiral may go indefinitely. Risk assessment expertise is required. And that's all for today. I hope you've learned something about the spiral model. Thank you.